Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It'd be better with the light on.
Huh? Whoa. I mean, it sounds good.
That's EDM for you.
Yeah. There you go. Those lights really help. You don't realize you have the two in the back corner.
No.
Wow. So this is 8.
Yep. 815s.
How big is the sealed section per sub?
About 7 cubes.
Oh, total? Between
on
both sides?
On each side.
Okay, each side. All right. Is it hair trick?
Yep.
Jess! I don't know where she went. Oh well. I know.
You want something a little low now?
That's what I was just about to ask you. Can I hear some? You want me to shut the door?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, that
high note, dude, with that window doors open, it's like what, 55 hertz peak or so? I mean,
I'd probably say higher than that.
higher than that, yeah.
Because this isn't tuned.
It isn't. Oh, it's just it's really punchy, man. awesome, dude. Thank you for that demo.
We've got
Dude.
some head unit problems.
Is it cutting off?
Yeah.
At least you can play. At least you can look at the bright side. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.